Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and
ring that notification bell.
Ring that notification bell. Sorry, this sun back here is woo. There we go. So we're gonna come out here. We have like Jiminy Christmas, some crazy wind last night. You can see that another tree limb down, like in the same spot. I'll zoom in across the road, but I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. I've actually picked up. Oh, that's a fancy old car. I've actually picked up a couple of these tomato plants.
Some of them just...
But they were all over. Check these things. They are in a world of hurt. Like, look at that one. I mean, they're loaded with tomatoes, but they are, it looks like a tornado went through the middle of this thing. So it's pretty crazy. And our corn laid back down. It had just stood up, and look, it literally is crazy. But here's, there's that. We got all these limbs everywhere.
Oh, and
look at that tree over there. Look at that giant tree. All right, you got some exciting news?
yeah,
What is it?
we have baby okra.
Oh, we got baby okra?
Yeah,
well,
they're
that's
like
exciting.
this big.
That's exciting. All right, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
Oh, Mammy and Papa's.
Why?
Take a shower.
Why?
Because the power's out.
Why?
Because it's stormed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we've been without power since 1 o'clock this morning. It is 7 o'clock p.m. So if we don't get any power by tomorrow, I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with all that meat. Eeyore and pig and a bunch of deer meat, fish. Oh,
Tomato plant.
R.I.P. tomato plant, rip.
Smell good?
Hello, Huddy.
Very sad.
Where are we going? Huh? Why are you so shy? Tell them where are we going?
Where are we gonna go? Say it louder. Who? Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Mammy and Papa.
Mammy Papa's.
He said
Very
Papa.
dirty. Very tired.
There's so much sand on him.
So we just got back from Jinx. Huntman and the Relentless team took second in the state tournament. Came up short. Had a 3-run lead in the bottom of the last inning. And some balls just didn't go our way. It happens, but hey.
Got a cool
Yeah.
ring.
Yeah, did good, didn't you? Everybody played hard, didn't you?
I earned $20
$120.
babysitting.
Oh.
I got sand all in my hair.
Because there's other kids in there throwing sand everywhere.
Oh, did you bust them in the mouth? Tell them to quit throwing sand?
No, Hudson dumped sand on other kids' heads. So.
You're supposed to be watching them. You can't let him do that.
I had to dust it off of them.
Oh, okay,
I had
okay.
to take it out of there.
Well, Huddy is ready to go see Papa and Mammy. They have been in Montana on a little vacation. So he's going through a little bit of withdrawals from Lindy's parents. So we're going to head on over there. And tomorrow, I'm going to hop back on here. You guys will see us. And I got to figure out what to do. This is, I don't know. If our power don't come on, I got to start moving some meat or cooking some meat. I don't know what he said, but he's leaving.
He's gonna show them.
Oh, he wants to go, he's going to go get his ring real quick. And we'll show you guys that, and then we'll get going. Pots for station identification.
You talking about the trampoline?
No, so, oh yeah. So we got a quick tip on how to keep your trampoline from blowing away in 100+ mile-an-hour winds was recorded, okay? Look at our trampoline. Didn't move an inch. You know how you do it? Just don't tie it down. That's what we did. It worked. I
Probably not great advice.
Probably not great. Fully anticipated waking up and it being like in the top of the tree up there, but no.
On top of the house?
All right, hold it still. It's Pretty snazzy. That's all you got? What was your favorite part of the weekend?
Playing baseball.
Yeah.
Making the winning catch.
That or getting revenge on the Rattlers.
That was the Rattlers.
That was the Rattlers.
That you made the winning catch.
The last out of the game.
The last out of the inning against the Rattlers.
Or getting revenge.
All right.
Or really all.
Oh,
Tell everybody you'll see them tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Well, alrighty, it is the next day, 32 hours later. Our power is restored, so we are back home. The cleanup is about to begin. I'd like to thank all you linemen out there, electric companies. It's worked hours upon hours upon hours to get everybody's power back on. We really appreciate it. All right, Mama's. What are you doing, Huddy? Oh yeah? What?
I said he's the one telling us what to do. He's the boss.
You the boss? Alright, Mama's dragging Sissy. She got a little handful. Need me to get that?
No, I'm just trying to get up the water hose.
I'm gonna go assess this damage up here a little bit closer. So if we get some stuff cleaned up, I think we're gonna run out and look at Hazel here in a little bit. She should be showing. She should be getting close to fawning, so.
Oh yeah, we might go see.
You need me to throw that on there?
Yeah.
Okay. I just got some sticks.
Woo, we got a stick.
Ready? Throw it over there.
Like this, honey.
Oh, there he is. Way back there. Hearing a few things. Huddy, there's a dinosaur on your shirt.
Oh, we saw him in Jurassic Park last night. He looked at it, he smiled, and then he went back to watching Mammy's phone.
So there's a bunch of limbs here. Alrighty guys, we'll catch up with you guys later on in the video. Alrighty, so I have these sections of PVC that I'm not sure why I cut, but I did. So what I'm doing, I'm driving them down in here. Drove it all the way down to the bottom of this bed, and I'm gonna raise these up and zip tie the cages to these. I got one rebar over there, but the rest are gonna be these big CBC half-inch tubes that I think are gonna hold these up. So we're gonna give that a shot. We're gonna zip tie it up to this one and see how it works. Well, how about that? Then we got this one over here.
Can you do them a little tighter?
See another? Get one on top right here too. Alrighty, well, these things look so much better. Look at them all stood up now, looking lively. This bunch, we got to tie up some limbs on this one. You can see like we need to pull this up here a little bit and tie it up there. Because they're kind of starting to peel off and break. It's because these, look at the size of this tomato here. Look at the size of it. I mean, it's a big old tomato. It's so heavy, but they just won't turn yet.
This one right
Yep. Got all these, but I think this is gonna be good. They look a lot better.
Gonna make it.
Gosh, look at those. If that ain't a BLT size tomato, I don't know what is. What? You ready for some of them fresh BLTs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those are looking good.
Take one.
Good old jalapenos. A bunch on that one.
All of those are ready. Those big ones.
Alrighty guys, well, I think we're done out here at the garden.
I think I'm gonna go drag some more limbs.
Wait.
We didn't finish.
Yeah, we did. Now it's time to go see the deer.
I guess we're gonna drag a few more limbs and then maybe we'll get to go see Hazel. When Mama
I
really...
haven't got to see Hazel yet, so I really want to do it.
Well, let's go. Tell Mama.
Mama, we're leaving.
Howdy. What are you gonna see?
Oh, let's see. Yeah.
What?
You ready? You ready? He keeps going. You ready? You ready? Oh, I see one running.
There's two running.
Two.
Yeah.
They were laying down.
7 or 8 in here.
There's one right there too.
Yeah, see, they're all pregnant looking.
Yeah.
There's only 2. One had a single, one had a double.
She don't have that. They don't have a tag at all right there.
So Hazel
There's
has a
2
yellow
of them.
tag on her.
Well, actually, there's 3 of them. There's 2 that's lost their tag and 1 that never tagged. I'll check over there behind this tree.
Go home ahead. You don't want to scare
See them?
You see
So
her?
is Hazel nice? So you can just walk
Yeah.
up to her
See
and
the
won't run
see the
away?
deer?
You can walk
You
up
see her?
to her. So, but those deer won't do that.
See it?
So you know which one Hazel is.
You guys have fun.
Hey, hold on. There's a little fawn right there. You know you got a fawn?
Yeah, there's 3 in here.
I want to see it.
It's laying right there underneath that tree.
I can't see
Hey,
it.
Mama, hold you, okay? We don't want to
Look,
scare the
look me
baby.
up.
There's a baby over there.
Look me up. Oh, it's just
We're gonna walk right here. Just don't
Oh,
walk
yeah,
too close to it.
I see it. I see it.
As long as they stay together, they don't get...
Hey, come over here, Hunter. Yeah. She's right underneath that tree down right there.
Right there.
Yep. You can see her back shining.
Tagging the first 3 days,
I see it.
or
Hazel?
they're a rabbit.
Yeah, we ran across one at a buddy's the other day riding a side by side. It's about that big and they are fast.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you could barely even see it when it ran.
There she is laying right there. Right there, she just got up. Hazel.
Oh, Hazel?
Come on, Hazel. She's the one right there stretching.
Oh. That's Hazel.
Come on, Hazel.
She knew who you are.
One down there.
Oops, you gonna walk up here?
Yep.
Come here, Hazel.
Come on, Hazel.
She always checks me out. That's... Hi, baby. Walk slow and she'll come right to you.
We got Fawn standing up.
Hold your hand out.
Hold your hand out, sis.
Hold your hand out. She likes kids.
There's a horse
Hey,
fly.
get him.
Yeah. Horse fly. Just knock it off.
Here, Mama,
Mama,
hold you.
flush it. The horse fly. Oh, no, no.
Her.
Mama, get the horse fly.
See, she's starting to belly. She just...
Yeah, she is.
Stop.
Don't let go of him.
Let me hold you, okay? We don't want to scare her. She'll be scared. Don't go up there and see her.
Hey, Hazel.
Okay.
Hey, Hazel.
Okay.
I had some people bottle feeding Hazel for me. And they found out that the neighbors turned them in because she's letting Hazel run in the backyard. And and they were having a fit, saying, you know, why'd you do this? Why did you put that big tag in her ear? And
Yeah.
it was my tag. And I said, you know, we're getting it bottle fed. And they backed off. And we just brought her home.
Give a kiss.
But she's a world traveler as far as deer goes.
What about that one with the blue tag on it?
You love her?
Where's the baby at?
It's born and took off.
And we're checking twice a day. So if you want to leave her here until it cools off, we can we grab the babies. One bottle feed them.
All right, pull him back a little bit.
He likes her.
I know. I just don't want him to stress her out and get her excited. So Hazel's been following us ever since we found her way back there in the back of the pen.
She likes us.
I think she likes the girls.
Yes, girls gotta stick together.
There's 2 of them back there. I see 2 of them back there.
The little girls that first started on the bottle and all that.
Oh.
Kind of doing a 4-H kind of deal.
She's eating.
Huh? Did he say Hazel?
Yeah, he said Hazel.
He said
Come on.
Hazel.
Come on, Hazel. Come on, Hazel. Come on, Hazel.
He goes, y'all isn't feeding me.
Yeah. And bring me any crackers.
She coming now? Yep. Give her one last pet, one last hug.
One last time.
Like I gotta go to you guys now.
See, I know you've been here a couple times, huh? I've been here a couple times, ain't I?
And I.
Yeah.
Bye, Mama.
See ya. Alrighty guys, well we just got in not that long ago from seeing Hazel, as you guys saw. Just mowed. Little Huddy was crawling around on the lawnmower the other day and left the key on, so we had to jump it. But he likes crawling up there and hanging around, and Lindy called me and said something's up with the lawnmower. I said I think I got a pretty good idea what it is, and yeah, hooked up the jumper cables, started right up. So it's been a pretty productive day. We got a lot of limbs drug up. You can see in that pile there. We got the tomatoes anchored back down. We got the yard mowed. We got Lindy and Hallie and Huddy got to go see Hazel. So a lot happened today. I don't know how much footage is going to be on here, but a lot happened today. And all 3 of my kids are chugging pops right now.
He's not mine.
They need drink up. There's 3 things.
Dr. Pepper's one of the best.
Hunter, you know football season's starting
I
up.
know he's gonna die.
You have had like 3 pops today.
And he normally doesn't drink pop at all.
Yeah, he normally never drinks pop, and that's like your 3rd one today.
Twice.
That's not good. When you're
drink
when you're
water.
crying that your side hurts, I'm gonna have
Water.
no sympathy. I'm so up, shouldn't have drank all that pop.
That reminds me of something at practice. There was a kid.
You too? You don't need to be drinking that. You too! You stole mine.
Huddy, what are you doing?
Is that Mama's?
Wadika Bubba's.
Alrighty, well, that's all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you like it, please smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to our channel,
Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell.
yeah, what he said. Alright guys, that's all we got on today's video. Thanks for watching. God bless.